Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another product review. Today, it is the Xbox Electric Volt controller. So, let's see what kind of information it has on here. Hybrid D-pad. It's got a share button, so capture and share content seamlessly. I'll probably be using that for future product reviews of some games. So stay tuned for that. Easily pair, wireless, and Bluetooth. So one of the cool things is I know with some cell phones you could actually pair these to your cell phone to play some games. I actually prefer the controller that I have that my phone kind of clips into. You could see that in another video. But that is something you can do. It kind of shows it right here too. So it works for the Xbox Series X, the Xbox Series S, the Xbox One, Windows 10, Android, and like iPhones, iOS. So there's not really a whole lot to say about this controller. So let's just open it up and see what it looks like. That's a little bit disappointing. It's not quite as vibrant as the box shows it to be, but also the lighting of this and then what it actually looks like in real life is a little bit different. It is a little bit more vibrant than you could see on camera. I don't know. It's kind of the lighting, I guess. So it uses, I think that's the Type-C USB. Just has batteries for a battery spot. That's one thing that I kind of don't like about Xbox controllers is the replaceable batteries. I mean, it's kind of cool, but it also, I liked how they did it for the Xbox 360, where they came in battery packs, and you could use AA, but then you could also have a battery pack that you slide in there. I've seen some aftermarket ones for like the Xbox One controllers, but they never really worked quite like they should. So I kind of abandoned those. I generally use rechargeable batteries. Whoops. In there. But I don't know, that's just one of my opinions. So it's got this little spot down here for your headphones. It's got this spot down here too for different types of headphones. I think this spot right here also, you could clip in one of those keyboards, which I personally like. That way when you're, playing your game or whatever and you want to send a quick message, like whatever, you don't have to do it in audio form. You could just send it in text real quick. That's way easier and less clunky than kind of doing one of those to write out a message. I hate writing out messages like that or typing in information. I like the little keyboards you could use, but you can also plug in an actual regular keyboard into your Xbox or Xbox Series X, Xbox S, whatever. You could plug those in. It was pointed out to me recently that if you do that, then if you're playing Fortnite, it actually puts you in the computer lobbies. So I don't know if that's kind of a hack that you could use to get into computer lobbies, but computer lobbies are kind of usually more difficult than console lobbies. But that is something that you can do. You can plug in a keyboard. Obviously not into this, but into your controller or into your console. So kind of similar to the other controllers. If you watched my unboxing of the Xbox Series X or the S, it is pretty much the exact same controller as the ones that were included. The only difference is the color. This is just kind of a bright neon green construction yellow. I'm not really sure what color to call this. Is it yellow? Is it green? Is it lime? But it's kind of one of those like construction colors, which I like. I like it. Not a whole lot else to say about this. If you're watching this and you're thinking about getting it for a older generation like the Xbox One, there is differences in it. It does have like this. See if you could see the texture on it. It's kind of got this texture to it right here. It kind of helps keep it in your hands. And I know my hands, they're disgusting right now. I'm an electrician by trade, and I work as an industrial electrician. So my hands, they just get beat up constantly. They're dirty. They're dry. They get cuts and scrapes. And anyways, that's not what the video is about. But if you guys have seen my videos and you're like, what is up with his hands? That's why. So I apologize. Anyways, but this is the Electric Volt controller, which maybe the reason I like it is because it says Volt, Electric Volt, and I am an electrician, so who knows? I don't know. Maybe that's why I like it. But anyways, I like this controller. This is the Xbox Electric Volt controller for a lot of platforms, really. But I'm going to be using it probably for the Xbox Series X and S because I've got both. But thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.